Hi guys, I'm going to explain the SUMIF function. So we have three kids, John, David and Michelle, and they receive different number of cookies at different times. And we want a summary of how many cookies they received in total. So if we click where we want the value to appear, and we click the Insert Function button, in the top, we can search for SUMIF. And if we select Go, and then we pick the first one and click OK. So the criteria, we are looking for John, and the range is the column where the names are held. And the sum range is the number of cookies. So that is column B. So now we select OK, and we can see John has one cookie. We copy the column down. David has 7 in total, and Michelle has 11.